Hello children. Welcome back to our channel. I'm calling it our channel because it is our channel, your channel and my channel. It is Maths Together. Children, in the previous video that I uploaded, we discussed about the linear equation. In this exercise, no, sorry, not exercise, in this video also, we are going to continue with linear equation and we'll see how to solve the word problem based on linear equation. Okay children, if you have any queries, if you have any doubt, all your doubts are most welcome. You can ask all your queries in the comment section and I'm surely going to reply to that and solve your problem. Okay, so let us continue with the word problem and we'll see how to solve the word problem based on linear equation. So let us begin with the first question. So the question is, if 13 is subtracted from a number and the difference is divided by 17. The question says that if 13 is subtracted from the number and difference is divided by 17, the quotient is 4 and there is no remainder, find the number. Okay, so we are going to solve this. We'll see how to find the number. Let us first write down the name of the chapter. Word problems 1. So the question is, if 13 is subtracted from a number, we don't know what the number is. So we will take the number as x. Let the number be x. Now from the number what is subtracted? 13 is subtracted. Okay, so from this number x, 13 is subtracted. Okay, if 13 is subtracted from a number and the difference is divided by 17. Now when 13 is subtracted from the number which is x, x minus 13 is the difference. This difference is divided by 17. This difference is divided by 17. Okay, x minus 13 divided by 17 and the quotient is 4 and there is no remainder. So when x minus 13 is divided by 17, the quotient is 4 and there is no remainder. We have to find the number. Now let us see how to find that. This is 4. The denominator is 1. So we will cross multiply that. X minus 13 into 1 will give us x minus 13 only. And this is 17 into 4. Now x minus 13 is equal to, what is 17 into 4? 17 into 4 is 68. Now x will be minus 13 will go to the right hand side as we studied in the previous video, that when the side changes, that the number goes from the right hand side to the left hand side or from the left hand side to the right hand side, its sign just get reversed. Minus becomes plus and plus becomes minus, divide becomes multiply and multiply becomes divide. So here it is minus 13 will become plus 13. So it is 68 plus 13. Now what is 68 plus 13? 68 plus 13 is 81. Okay, so x is 81. Therefore, the number is 81. Okay, so this is how we have to take the unknown number as x and then form the equation and then we have to solve, find the value of x. Now we'll move on to the next question. Let us go to the next question. Question number 2. Now question number 2 is, the sum of two consecutive even integer is 54. The sum of two consecutive even integer. Now children, you know what are the integers? In all numbers are integers. All positive numbers and negative number are integers. Okay, so the sum of two consecutive even integer is 54. So the integer, you have understood what is an integer. All negative number, all positive numbers are all integers. Okay, and consecutive number means the number which come one after the other. Consecutive even integer means even number which come one after the other, like 2 is an even number. The next consecutive even number will be 4, then the next will be 6, then the next will be 8. Okay, so the sum of two consecutive even integer is 54. Let us take the first integer as x. Okay, let the first even integer be x. Okay, now children, what will be the next integer, next even integer? Next even integer, we know that the difference between two even number is always 2. Okay, so the next even integer will be 2 more than the number that we have taken as x. So the next even integer will be x plus 2. Okay, because the difference between the two even number is always 2. So the first even integer is x and the next even integer is x plus 2. Now it is given the sum of the two consecutive integer is 54. Now sum of these two even integer x and the next integer x plus 2 is, their sum is 54. We have to find the integers. Okay, so let us find. 2x plus 2 is equal to 54, or 2x is equal to plus 2 will go to the right hand side and become minus 2. So 2x is 54 minus 2 is 52, or x is equal to 52 by 2, that is 26. That means x is 26. That means the first even integer is 26. 26. Next even integer is x plus 2. That means 26 plus 2, 28. So what are the two even integers? The two even integers are 26 and 28. And we can also check whether the answer is correct or not by adding these two even integers, 26 plus 28. When we add 26 and 28, we'll see that we are getting 54. So we can see here that when 26 and 28 are added, we are getting 54. That means whatever we have worked out is correct. Okay children, now next we are going to solve few sums which are based on age. Like age of the father is given or age of the son is given. We have to find the unknown one. That sort of question we are going to solve. The question is, a man is 32 years old and his son is 5 years old. What is, this is question number 3. What is the man's age? 32 years. And what is his son's age? 5 years. Age of the man is 32 years and age of his son is 5 years. This is the present age of the man and the present age of the son. That means this is the present age we will write. Present age. Man's present age is 32 and son's present age is is 5 years. So we have to find how many years hence will the father's age be 4 times that of the son. मतलब कि कितने साल के बाद फादर का एज सन के एज का 4 टाइम्स होगा. Okay, so let us take the number of years hence, मतलब कितने साल के बाद फादर का एज सन के एज का 4 टाइम्स होगा, that to be x. So we write after x years, मतलब x years के बाद what will be the man's age? What will be the man's age? 32 plus x. x years के बाद मैन का एज 32 प्लस x हो जाएगा एंड द सन्स एज विल बी 5 प्लस x. 5 साल के बाद जो सन है वो भी 5 साल ज्यादा हो जाएगा एज, और जो मैन है उसका भी एज 5 साल ज्यादा हो जाएगा. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आफ्टर x years what is happening. एक साल के बाद क्या हो रहा है? एक साल के बाद ये हो रहा है कि जो फादर का एज है वो सन के एज का 4 टाइम्स हो जा रहा है. दिस इज फादर्स एज 32 plus x is becoming 4 times the age of the son. Okay, we have to find this unknown. कितने साल के बाद फादर का एज 4 टाइम्स हो रहा सन के एज का. Now let us solve this. 32 plus x is equal to 20 plus 4x, or x minus 4x is equal to 20 minus 32. As you can understand, this x is here, plus 4x right hand side से left hand side में लाए हैं तो minus 4x हो गया. 20 is 20 and this plus 32 will go to the right hand side and become minus 32. Now x minus 4x is minus 3x and 20 minus 32 is minus 12. Minus minus will get cancelled because minus both the sides पे है. So now x is 12 divided by 3. So that is 4. So that means value of x is 4. मतलब 4 साल के बाद जो मैन है उसका एज सन के एज का 4 टाइम्स हो जाएगा. Therefore the number of years is equal to 4 years. Okay, now children, if you have any doubt, I am telling you repeatedly, if you have any doubt, I am there to clarify all your doubts. You ask me, you write down the question or ask me whatever doubt you have in the comment section, children. And let us move on to the next question. Okay, we'll continue here only, question number 4, so that you get time to copy down the sums. We'll do one more sum. The cost of 3 identical chair and 2 identical tables is rupees 2140. If a chair costs rupees 120 less than a table, find the price of a chair and that of a table. So first we will take the cost of a table as x. Is rupees x. So as it is given that the cost of a chair is 120 rupees less than the cost of a table. So the cost of a chair will be कितना होगा? 120 rupees less है तो rupees x minus rupees 120. This is the cost of one single chair. Now how many tables are there? There are 2 tables and there are 3 chairs. So cost of 2 tables will be 2x and cost of 3 chairs will be 3 multiplied by x minus 120. Okay, both are in rupees. I have not written that rupees, that we are going to write later. So cost of 2 tables will be 2 into x and cost of 3 chairs will be 3 multiplied cost of 1 chair, which is x minus 120. Now what is given? That together it cost rupees 2140. That means 2x plus 3x minus 120 is equal to 2140. Okay, now let us solve this. 2x plus 3 into x, 3x minus 12 is a 36. 0 is equal to 2140. Or 5x is equal to 2140 plus 360. So it is going to be 2500, 5x, or x is equal to 2500 by 5. That means 500. So what is x? Here x is rupees, x is cost of a table. Therefore, cost of a table is rupees 500 and cost of a chair, कितना है 120 rupees less than the cost of the table. That means it is rupees 500 minus rupees 120, that is rupees 380. Okay, so children, you can see how the sum has been done, and we have solved 4 sums, which all the 4 are the word problems based on linear equation, children. And I know that it is difficult for the children, it's been difficult for the children to understand. थोड़ा दिक्कत होती है बच्चों को the word problem समझ के फिर उसको equation form करके फिर solve करने में, but slowly and slowly as you will practice, जैसे जैसे practice करते जाओगे, it will become easier for you. So children, here we have done 4 sum from this chapter, and okay, then in the next video, if you have any queries, then we will solve a few more sums on this chapter, and the next video will be about the chapter, maybe speed, distance or time we'll do. Okay, I'll try to do the chapter speed, distance and time. Okay children, do like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching the video. Bye everybody. Bye.